Hello, everyone. I'd like to show you how to access Desmos on your computer, and then we'll see a couple of fun things we can do. So the first thing is just go to desmos.com and then click Start Graphing. And you'll notice I already am logged in to my account. I recommend you setting up an account, it's free. And then you can save anything you do, which you can then send to me and I can look at to see where you are in your work. It's a good way to show your work. So over here in this hamburger menu, you can always get a new blank graph to start over completely. You could go back to your saved graphs that you've used before. So like here, I have this information already all there, and I could use that as a problem, or I could do different things with it. So I'm going to go back to a new blank graph. You can enter in expressions, notes, a table. You can make a folder so you can organize stuff. You can put in an image. I'm just going to put in an expression for now. And notice you don't actually have to say plus to put in an expression. You can just start typing. You could say f at n equals 3n plus 7, and you would get that graph. And then the cool thing about Desmos is you can use function notation. So you could say f at 4 then, and you'll find out that f at 4 is 19. You can also do stuff like where you say y equals 8, and then you can find your point of intersection, which then would tell you the n value in that expression that would make f of n be equal to 8. I'm going to get rid of that. You could also go back and say, well, what if I don't necessarily know what that should be? And so you could put in a variable like b, and then you can add a slider. And now you see b is currently set to 1. Well, maybe I do want it to be 7. And I could just type it at 7, or I could drag it around. So if you're trying to find out exactly where you want your line set, you want some adjustment in there, you can use sliders for that. Okay, that's just a short introduction into Desmos. If you have questions, you can Google just about anything on Desmos. There's all kinds of videos out there. I just want to give you a little brief introduction.